Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's clean with me video is starting off with a lot of the basics, tidying up the countertops, vacuuming, putting things away, and making sure the clutter is cleared. If you guys watch my channel, welcome back. And if you're new, welcome. I'm Helena. I'm a mom of two. I do cleaning, organizing, decluttering, clean with me video for cleaning motivation, as well as some DIY. If you enjoyed this type of content, I'd be super grateful if you gave this video a like and subscribe. Any engagement helps push the video out further, which makes it even more motivating and uplifting to continue on doing this type of content. Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. I definitely, after the holidays, need to do a very, very deep clean of all of my baseboards, of the walls, of all of the kitchen cabinets, but today I'm just doing a quick rundown. Our baseboards are kind of disgusting in certain spots, so you obviously just saw what I did on the kitchen island. There's just so much like dirt and grime. I'm doing this over here by the kitchen, cleaning off the wall, and just gonna go through and quickly wipe down the cabinets with white cabinets. Each and every speck of dirt shows, which is crazy and frustrating. So I'm going to do that. But after the holidays, after the new year, I plan on doing a very deep clean, which includes scrubbing down my walls because I have little fingerprints all over my walls. It's crazy. My kids just have dirtied the walls so much, and every so often I definitely have to go through and scrub the walls. Sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break, I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight, but this time we're not safe and sound, not safe and sound. Back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break, I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight, but this time we're not safe and sound, not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. So when my kids come home with any paperwork, any homework that's never been graded in their folders, I go ahead and put everything into a pile for about 2 to 3 weeks. And the number one reason that I do that is that I have learned over the years that some of the things they may need again. So there'll be papers for plays that they're currently working on that I may not have realized that they will continue to need. So everything goes into a pile. That way I don't accidentally throw anything out that they still need. And I go through that pile every few weeks. And once I know the date and it's already been, 2-3 weeks, that they don't need it, I'm going to go ahead right now and put things in a pile that I'm going to file for memories for them. I've got like their photos from the school here, and I'm going to go ahead and, put that into the filing cabinet as well. This little area is my kids' homework area. They also eat sometimes here. But eventually, I feel like these desks are getting really small. Eventually, they're going to need something a little bit taller as the kids are getting older. If you guys have any recommendations on something that we can put into this area, let me know in the comments. Like I said, I need something a little bit taller, a little more mature. My son is 8 and my daughter is 6, but they are very tall for their age. So they are much taller than most of the other kids. So I need something that will grow with them. Christmas is literally just a few days away, and I am already excited about taking down all of the Christmas decorations. I've enjoyed very much having the tree and having it lit up at night. However, I cannot wait to have all of my space back and just things clear of the clutter. So after the new year, you will see a video of me taking everything down, putting everything away into storage, and I am ready to decorate for Valentine's Day. Now, this area is where my dog eats, and she's a very, very furry dog. So these baseboards tend to get just grimy and disgusting with the combination of her fur, a combination of just like the food that's around. So this has to be cleaned pretty consistently. Oh, there's our microwave, and that was such a filthy mess as well. So just kind of giving it a quick rundown real quick. This is actually stored in our bottom cabinet. Not the most accessible, but it's okay. And lastly, I'm going to go through the bedrooms. Right now, I'm going to clean my daughter's room. We have to eventually, after the new year, I think, redecorate her walls and get that a little more mature for her, because some of these decorations are from when she's had a baby. So we'll do that after the new year. But she did get a new comforter set, like a new duvet set for her comforter. Actually, we all got new duvets in the house, but I'm going to go through also and put all of her clean laundry away. And there's so much clean laundry. I'm going to go ahead and do that for her.
Every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace.
On my dream list, big, huge closets in all of the kids' bedrooms would be fabulous. I would be super grateful if they had huge closets, so that way we can store all of their clothes, and they can have toy storage in there as well. That's probably not going to happen, but if a girl can dream, I would be dreaming for huge closets.
Your name, it's insane. Now we're
just finishing up my daughter's pajamas, putting those away, and some of her undergarments, her leotards as well, and bathing suits are going to go into 2 of these drawers, and 1 will go into the top drawer of that tall dresser. And if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment. I love hearing from everyone.